OMG. Who let her come out the house like that? Ooh. Oh my God. Every freaking time I get ready to talk, like, ugly ass nigga from the airport keep talking and shit. But anyway, first and foremost, this is your girl Vashaun coming to you live from the airport, Memphis, Tennessee. Yes, I'm bored, finna go and clock in. Probably about what? 45 more minutes. And I clock in. Anyways, I'm finna sing. I don't know what I'm finna do. I'm finna do something crazy though. Embarrass myself. So to see. Alright. People walking by. You can tell. But anyways, nigga like me don't care. Eugene, go out lady. Alright. This boy been like. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he been like watching me for the last past 30 minutes. But anyway, OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. She ratchet. Oh. I just want to punch her in her face. Ooh, she's so two-faced. Girl, let me tell you what I got my mister. Oh, baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, and I see you hit the club. Middle of the floor, no shoes, hands up. Had to get cute today. I bought a jean square boots today. Maybe coming home today, he'll thug, he'll shoot it. Some today. Let me stop.